What we have here is the Remington 770 youth model in a 20-inch barrel. It's a .243 caliber. You can see it's in real good condition. There's Remington 243. Has a rail on it ready for a scope. Model 770. Has the black synthetic stock barrel. Like I said, is in real good condition. It's just a good gun. I have not fired it. I was told by the previous owner that it had a half box of shells through it, so I think it's got about 10 rounds through it. But to look down the bore and everything, it looks like it's brand new. So there you go. Remington 770 in a .243 youth.